You need to watch this if you love delicious food. Today we're making rice and curry with crispy papadums. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, rice and curry is a staple in many cultures. And papadums, the perfect crispy sidekick. First, let's gather our ingredients. Basmati rice, your favorite curry spices, veggies, and some papadum sheets. Start by rinsing the rice until the water runs clear. Cook it with a pinch of salt and let it steam to fluffy perfection. For the curry, sauté onions, garlic and ginger. Add your spices, cumin, turmeric and coriander. Toss in your veggies and simmer until tender. Now papadums, they're easy. Just heat some oil and fry until they puff up and turn golden. Time to plate. Scoop the fragrant curry over the fluffy rice. Add crispy papadums on the side. Enjoy with a dollop of chutney or a spoonful of yogurt. Thanks for watching. Try this at home and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Happy cooking!